Under the pretext of family assistance, the Chinese Communist Party is sending a Chinese official into every Uyghur family in East Turkestan. Recent video recordings testify a hopeless situation of the Uyghurs. There's a Chinese official asking a girl if she would marry a Chinese and whether she would consume pork. Knowing that the wrong answers could lead to an internment, she answers in the way the blind loyalty of the communist regime demands. Every member of the Muslim minority, regardless of sex or age, must fear arbitrary violence in that region. Muslims living in the United States have organized a conference in Washington to raise awareness of the inhumane conditions in East Turkestan and the cultural genocide of the Uyghurs. There, Rusan Abbas, an Uyghur activist, spoke to the attendees with sound evidence about the happenings in the area. In Vienna too, a conference was held in which Seyit Tümtürk explained China's political strategy. In the airspace over the Chinese Sea between Okinawa and Miyako, Japanese planes blocked the Chinese reconnaissance plane and the Chinese Air Force. Japan states it's right in that action because it flew over areas controlled by Japan. The Chinese government calls this action illegal as Japanese supremacy in this region is not recognized. According to Kremlin spokesman Peskov, Putin and Netanyahu are scheduled to meet in Moscow on April 4. The two presidents already talked by phone yesterday. The conversation mostly was about the conflicts in the Middle East. The Chancellor of Germany, Angela Merkel, hopes that England will find a sensible solution at Brexit. After being asked about the asylum wave, Merkel gave an account of the negative consequences of using this word and recommended the disuse of such words that could incite the people.